Welcome back to Code and Conquer Daily, where we solve a new LeetCode problem every single day. If this helps you out, please hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe so you never miss tomorrow's solution. Today we're tackling problem number 486, Predict the Winner. LeetCode problem number 486, Predict the Winner. You are given an integer array nums. Two players are playing a game with this array, player 1 and player 2. Player 1 and player 2 take turns, with player 1 starting first. Both players start the game with a score of 0. At each turn, the player takes one of the numbers from either end of the array, which reduces the size of the array by 1. The player adds the chosen number to their score. The game ends when there are no more elements in the array. Return true if player 1 can win the game. If the scores of both players are equal, then player 1 is still the winner, and you should also return true. You may assume that both players are playing optimally. For example, given nums equals 1, 5, 2, the expected output is false. The brute force approach involves trying all possible combinations of moves for both players. This can be achieved by using recursion to explore all possible game states. However, this approach is not efficient due to its exponential time complexity. The complexity here is 2 to the power of n. The optimal approach involves using dynamic programming to store the results of subproblems. We can use a 2D array to store the maximum score that player 1 can get for each subarray. The final result will be true if the maximum score of player 1 is greater than or equal to the maximum score of player 2. The complexity here is n squared. Now let's implement the optimal solution in C++. I'll write it out step by step so you can follow along. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped, give the video a like, share it with someone who's learning, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss tomorrow's LeetCode solution. See you in the next one.